Yugoslavia, Serbo-Croatia, Federal Republic, 99,079 square miles, population 15,751,953. Southeast Europe, largely in the Balkan Peninsula. Capital, Belgrade. It is mostly mountainous with Julian Alps and Kars in the northwest and the Dinaric Alps running parallel to the Adriatic coast. See Dalmatia. Triglav is highest peak. Drained by the Danube and its tributaries, the country is largely agriculture. There is rich mineral resources. Coal, copper, iron, mercury, lead, zinc, bauxite, and Yugoslav, South Slav people consist of four groups. Serbs, 43%. Croats, 34%. Slovenes, 7%. Macedonians, 7%. The remainder being Magyars, Italians, and other minorities. As of 1931, 49% of Yugoslavs were Greek Orthodox, 37% Roman Catholic, Croats and Slovenes, 11% Muslim. For history before 1918 and for other geographic data, see articles on the Sixth Constituent People's Republic established under the Constitution of 1946, Serbia, Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, Macedonia, Montenegro. These six regions were included in the Kingdom of the Serbs and Croats and Slovenes proclamation in 1918 at the end of World War I, with King Peter of Serbia at its head. Its name changed to Yugoslavia in 1929. Among its internal problem was the opposition between the ruling Serbian element and the Croatian nationalists, who demanded autonomy. King Alexander exercised dictatorship 1929 to 31 and continued to rule with a firm hand under the parliamentary constitution of 1931. Violence culminated in 1934 in his assassination. Yugoslavia clashed with Italy over Fiume question settled in 1924 and had tense relations with Hungary and Bulgaria, which claimed parts of North Yugoslavia and Macedonia. Yugoslavia joined the Little Entente but in 1939 it drew closer to the Axis powers. The pro-Axis government was overthrown by a military coup d'etat in March 1941, but on April 6, Germany, Hungary, Italy, and Bulgarian forces struck against Yugoslavia. King Peter II fled abroad. Serbia, Croatia became puppet states, and the rest partitioned among the aggressors. However, partisan troops under General Machiavellovich and Marshal Tito effectively battled the occupying forces. A civil war between the two rival leaders began in 1943, and the communist Tito won out. In 1944, Russia and Allied forces joined with Tito to drive out the Germans. Tito became the premier in 1945, deposed the king, and transformed Yugoslavia into a communist state. The peace treaty with Italy, 1947, gave Yugoslavia most of Venezuela, with imprisonment of Archbishop Stepanak of Zagreb, led to a break with the Vatican, 1946. More serious was Tito's break with the Russian-dominated Commonwealth, 1948, and the resulting strain with Yugoslavia's neighbors.